This is the website that we're going to make today. We will go over a description list, H tags, P tags, block elements, and more. We will use VS Code and Live Server, so if you need to know how to install VS Code and Live Server, there's a link in the upper right part of the screen. Watch that first, then come back. The code for this tutorial can be found on github.com/A to Z coding. Links are in the description. Okay, let's go. Please note, after making any changes to your code, the code must be saved for the changes to be seen on the browser using Live Server. First, make a file called index.html in the folder of your choice. Next, type an exclamation mark and press Enter to make an HTML5 template. Change the title to Welcome to My First Website, save the file, right-click, and choose Open with Live Server. We can see that the title of the web page is correct. Next, use H1 tags for the main heading and type, "This is my most important heading." Now check the results with Chrome. Next, use H2 tags and type, "This is a subheading." Subheadings go from H2 to H6. Check the results with Chrome and you will see the subheading. Next, type click followed by an anchor or A tag with HTML as the content and a hypertext reference or H reference of /HTML.html. Finish the sentence by typing to find out what it stands for. Next, create the file html.html. Then type an exclamation mark and press Enter to make an HTML5 template. Replace the title with HTML and between the body tags type HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let's save the page and see the results in Chrome. Click on the link and we go to the HTML description page. Now let's use a paragraph or P tag and type, "I used a P tag here because I wanted a." Then use an A tag with the content block element and an href of /block_element.html. Type the next sentence. Also, paragraph elements have a new line before and after them. Create a file called block_element.html. Then type an exclamation mark and press Enter to make an HTML5 template. Change the title to block element, and then between the body tags type, "Block elements will take up an entire row of the browser and force the next element's content to be placed on a new row." Let's look at the results in Chrome. Pressing the block element link takes you to the block element page. Now let's make a description list. First, use DL tags, then between the DL tags, use a description term or DT tags and type, "I am usually a term that you want to define." Follow that by a description tag or DD tag with the content, "and I am the description of that term." Follow that by a DT tag with the content, "DT elements are block elements." And finally, a DD tag with the content, "DD elements are block elements too." Go to Chrome and see that we made a description list. Next, make a P tag and type, "Just remember that you should use," followed by an A tag with the content, "Semantic elements." The href should be /semantic_elements.html. After the A element, type, "When possible," and that HTML is used to add structure to the content of a website, while CSS is used for styling. Now make a file and name it semantic_elements.html. Then type an exclamation mark and press Enter to make an HTML5 template. Change the title to Semantic Elements And then between the body tags, type semantic elements are preferred because they provide a better description of the content placed between the tags. For example, a div element is a non-semantic element, and an h1 element is a semantic element. Now go to Chrome and see that when you click on the semantic element hyperlink, you are taken to the semantic element page. Finally, we will make a copyright for the web page. Do this by typing my website &copy 2020. Now go to Chrome and see the results, and you can see our copyright statement with a copyright symbol. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to bringing you the next lesson, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.